In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display hide grid lines from charts in NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll be able to quickly turn chart grid lines on or off so your NinjaTrader chart is as clear or as detailed as you need. First, click Chart Settings. With your chart active, move your cursor to the chart's settings control and click to open it. You'll see a panel or window with options that control how the chart looks. This is safe to open. Nothing changes until you adjust a setting. If you're recording your own workspace, pause for a moment so viewers can see the settings panel appear. Next, click Grid. In the settings you just opened, find the grid option and click it. As soon as you click Grid, watch the chart background. The grid lines will toggle between being displayed and hidden. If the lines are currently visible, clicking Grid will remove them for a cleaner view. If they're hidden, clicking Grid will bring them back so you can better gauge spacing and price levels. You don't have to confirm anything else here. The change is immediate, and you'll see it reflected on the chart right away. Take a moment to scan the chart and confirm the result. If the background is light, the grid lines may appear as faint gray lines. On darker themes, they can be subtle, so zoom slightly or pan the chart to verify they're showing as expected. If you want the opposite look, simply click Grid again to reverse it. This is useful when you need a clean screenshot without grid lines, or when you're analyzing price action and want the extra visual reference back on screen. At this point, your NinjaTrader chart will be using your preferred grid display. So if you switch the grid off, your chart should now look clean and uncluttered. If you switched it on, the grid lines should be clearly visible behind your bars or candles, helping you read levels more precisely. You can repeat the same 2 clicks anytime you want to change the view. That's it. The grid lines on your NinjaTrader chart are now displayed or hidden according to your preference, and the change is active and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.